Hi, this is Geetan from Math 103 and now we'll be solving the Math SW3 question given by Ajit sir. So now let's get into it. So this is the given question. So now let us draw the directions, which would be plus j plus I minus I and minus j. This will be north, south, east and west. So the vector along the south will be 0I minus j. So the gradient of z will be which is will be minus 0.01 x minus 0.02 y. So now let us substitute the values of x and y in this place. So on substituting this, we get it as minus 0.6 comma minus 0.8. So the direction gradient along z will be minus 0.6 or minus 0.8 u. Now let us find the value of u. Unit vector u is equal to x by modulus x, which will be 0I minus j by 0 square plus 1 square, which will be 0I minus j by 1, which is 0I minus j. So the direction gradient formula is as already written. Let us substitute the value of u and place this 6 comma minus 0.8 into 0 comma minus 1, which will be 0.8. So since the value is greater than 0, it will ascend and at the rate of 0.8. It will ascend at the rate of 0.8. This is the A bit. Now let's get into the B bit. Now the B bit is northwest direction, which is this way. So it will be x will be minus I plus j. So the direction gradient will the gradient will be minus 0.01 x minus 0.02 y, and again substituting the values of x and y, which is 60 and 40, we get it as minus 0.6 and minus 0.8 again. As we know, the direction gradient formula is minus 0.6 into u. Now let's find the unit vector for this. Unit vector is again x by modulus of x, which is minus I plus j by root 1 square plus 1 square, which is minus I plus j by root 2, which means it's minus 1 by root 2 I plus 1 by root 2 j. So again, the direction gradient formula, substituting the value of u in the direction gradient formula, we get it as minus 0.8 into minus 1 by root 2 1 will be minus 0.2 by root 2. Since it is less than 0, it descends. It descends at the rate of minus 0.2 by root 2. Now the c bit, the gradient of z will be minus 0.01 x minus 0.02 y. Now we need to substitute the values of x again, which is 0.01 into 60, 0.02 into 40, which brings it as minus 0.6 comma minus 0.8. Now the direction gradient of z, since the formula is again minus 0.6 comma minus 0.8 into u. Now let's find the value of u. U is x by modulus of x, which is minus 0.6 I minus 0.8 j by root over minus 0.6 whole square plus minus 0.8 whole square, which is 0.6 I minus 0.8 j by root over 0.36 plus 0.64, which brings the final answer as minus 0.6 I minus 0.8 j by 1. Now the direction gradient of z, let's substitute the value of u in this place in the formula, which is minus 0.6 minus 0.8 into minus 0.6 minus 0.8, which is 0.36 plus 0.64, which brings the final answer as 1. Now since the direction gradient of z is greater than greater than 0, it's moving uphill. So tan theta is equal to 1. If tan theta is equal to 1, theta is equal to 45 degrees. So the final answer is, it has the greatest slope in the direction of uphill at the rate of 1 and the angle 45 degrees above the horizontal. Thank you.